Meet Ajay, a finance leader tired of dealing with high attrition, a huge skill gap, and constant burnout plaguing his finance team. This has led to demotivated employees and inefficient business operations. Now, meet Aisha, a visionary finance leader. Aisha, leading a team that is ahead of the curve, regularly demonstrating the business impact of their KPIs. They often get appreciated by their CEO for improving the bottom line of the company and fueling growth. So, how did Aisha achieve this? By constantly investing in ROI-driven training interventions for her finance team. At Contetra, we have enabled hundreds of finance teams to upskill with Ind AS, IFRS, US GAAP, and business finance trainings with our crew of seasoned industry doyens and consultants who are able to bring real-world problem-solving into the classroom experience. Statistics prove that 76% of employees are more likely to stay with your company if it offers continuous learning opportunities. Our trainings have been able to tangibly improve employee stickiness and productivity. So, get ahead of the curve. Click the button in the description below to create a curated L&D intervention for your finance team.